Okay, let's practice the distributive property. So here we have negative 2 times 4x minus 3z minus 1 in parentheses. And what the distributive property does is it takes this negative 2 out to the front and multiplies it through to all three of these terms inside the parentheses. Okay, so when we do that, we have negative 2 times 4x. Well, that's negative 8x. Negative 2 times negative 3z. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, so plus 6z. Negative 2 times negative 1 is plus 2. Here we go. And we'll use the distributive property a lot as we continue with math. So it's something that you'll see again and again. Really good thing to practice. Let's try another example. Okay, here we go. 9 times z plus 7 minus 15. Okay, so let's see here. Same idea. The 9 gets distributed through to the z and to the 7, not to the 15 because that's not in parentheses clearly. So let's see what happens here. We have 9z plus 9 times 7 is 63 minus 15. Okay, and then remember at the end of these exercises to combine like terms. So we have our like terms here with the 63 and the minus 15. So let's do that. So we have 9z plus, let's see, what is that, 48. Okay. All right. So try your hand at this. This next exercise is for you to try. Give it a shot. That's going to be way up here. Okay. So this is one for you to try. Negative parentheses y plus 5z plus 7. So pause the video and give it a shot, and then we'll work it together. Okay, let's do it together. This one's a little different, but remember, if there's no number here, this is actually just a negative 1 hanging out here. So we're going to write negative 1 there, and then we distribute through to all three of these. There we go. All right, so that's negative y. Negative 1 times negative 5 is negative 5z. Negative 1 times negative 7 is plus 7. There we go. All right. And these can get more and more complicated, as you can imagine. Let's try another one here. Okay, here we go. So we have 4 times 3x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, so we can get, problems with multiple distributions in them. It's no big deal. Let's just do them separately. Let's do this 4 first. 4 goes through the both terms, and then this negative 2, we're going to treat this whole thing as a negative 2. That's going to go through to both terms here. Let's see what we get. 4 times 3 is 12, so we have 12x. 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. All right, that takes care of that. Now let's do this negative 2. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. It seems like we're done, but we're not. We have to combine like terms. Don't forget that. So here are the terms with the x's. Here are terms without any variables. So the x terms go together, the constant terms go together. So we get 10x, and then minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. There we go.